Quick Picks is designed for sellers who want to discover profitable products quickly and effortlessly without setting up time-consuming scans. Instead of starting from scratch, Quick Picks taps into Tactical Arbitrage's internal database of pre-scanned results, giving you instant access to curated product lists. This lets you browse ready-made, high-potential leads right away, saving time and helping you spot opportunities faster. To get started, simply hover over the sidebar and click Explore. You'll notice a fresh, user-friendly design that's packed with valuable details about each product and seller. At the top of the Quick Picks panel, choose your source and destination. Under Select Method, select Store to Amazon if you want to find products at retail stores to sell to Amazon, or select US Amazon to Store for reverse sourcing, or if you want to find products to sell on Walmart, select Stores to Walmart. Next, pick the Amazon marketplace where you plan to sell. Keep in mind, Quick Picks works within one marketplace at a time. For cross-border sourcing, you'll want to use the Product Finder tool. Once set, you'll see a list of products. You can customize your view by choosing which columns to display and switching between list or grid layouts, tailoring the information to suit your sourcing preferences. Grid View gives you a simplified overview, which is perfect for beginners just starting out. List View, on the other hand, shows more complete data, making it easier to analyze products in detail. We'll focus on the List View for now, which you'll find similar to the Results page in Product Finder. Here, you can access detailed information such as price, stock details, history charts, profit, ROI, product variations, seller information, size, product competition, and a full breakdown of total fees. To narrow down your search, click the Filter button. You can adjust price ranges, ROI thresholds, profit expectations, sales rank, and more to fit your goals. For example, setting a minimum ROI helps you avoid low-margin products. There's also a handy toggle to hide items sold directly by Amazon if you want to avoid direct competition. Plus, you can use the added filter to sort results based on when products were added to the Tactical Arbitrage database. Explore is all about quick, hassle-free browsing within a single marketplace. For more advanced research or cross-border sourcing, try using the Product Finder.